Thank you, everyone, and good afternoon. It is truly my great pleasure to welcome Research Frontiers and President and Chief Executive Officer Joe Harary, Chairman Bob Sachs, board members, executive management team, company employees, family, friends. Did I miss anyone? I didn't, right? Good. Well, we're excited you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. There's a lot to celebrate. I like to start each ceremony with a big round of applause for all our young people out there. That means you guys really need to kind of get ready going. So Joe, it was 3 years ago, we celebrated a milestone event with Research Frontiers right here at the NASDAQ market site as the first car in serial production was introduced by Mercedes offering SPD-Smartglass, the Magic Sky control roof. And since that time, Research Frontiers' SPD Smart technology has literally become the world's best-selling smart window technology, and we're here to celebrate the success that Research Frontiers has had not only in the automotive industry, but also in aircraft, yachts, architecture, and most recently protecting priceless artifacts in museums and private collections around the world. Millions of times a year, people around the world literally just push a button and control the tint of their glass instantly. And Research Frontiers has invested approximately $100 million to develop its SPD-Smartglass technology and holds approximately 500 patents and patent applications on it worldwide and licenses this technology to over 40 companies, including most of the world's automotive glass production, major chemical companies, and other manufacturers. Along the way, and probably most importantly, it's created jobs. And the products made using Research Frontiers' SPD-Smartglass technology has contributed to making homes, offices, boats, aircrafts, cars safer, more comfortable, more energy efficient. So Joe, it's great to have you back at Market Site. I know this is a team effort, so congratulations on all of your past success, and we truly look forward to watching Research Frontiers continue to grow and continue to innovate as a NASDAQ company. And now it is my pleasure. Please join me in welcoming the President and CEO of Research Frontiers, Joe Harary.
Well, Dave, thank you. You spoke about our company better than I could ever, but I'm going to try. It was the last time that we rang the closing bell was in February 2011, and we were celebrating a milestone for us. It was the introduction of the first car in the world to put in serial production our SPD-Smartglass technology. That was the Mercedes-Benz SLK Roadster. And since then, as Dave mentioned, we've become the best-selling smart window technology in the world. Automotive products now account for about 80% of our revenues, and we expect the size of the pie to grow considerably once the new S-Class comes out with our technology in a few short months. The S-Class Coupe, which will be available in showrooms this fall, and production just started today actually on it, will have the largest SPD-Smartglass roof ever put into production, approximately 14 square feet of glass in a single roof. In early 2015, the long wheelbase version of the S-Class sedan comes out with over 18 square feet of smart glass in its roofs. And a few months after that, the standard wheelbase version, which is the highest volume version of the S-Class sedan, comes out with the Magic Sky control option. These vehicles use about 3 times more glass than the current SLK and SL Roadsters and are expected to have 3 times more unit production volumes than these two cars combined. Also, the take rates, according to Mercedes and others, are expected to be higher than the current cars that use our technology. So this is a milestone event for Research Frontiers, both in terms of visibility and also financially. But the movement by Mercedes from roadsters to sedans using our SPD-Smartglass technology this year was an important milestone for us in other ways as well as for the entire automotive industry. We expect other OEMs to also introduce their own SPD-Smartglass products to their customers who also expect the very best in quality and performance. And these other vehicles will also be an important contributor to our bottom line. Awareness of the benefits from our SPD-Smartglass technology is also spreading to other industries besides automotive, including aircraft, marine, and architectural. Choi Lee and Hatteras have put both SPD-Smartglass on their production yachts. SPD Smart cabin windows are now standard equipment on the new Honda Jet. And SPD-Smartglass skylight will be standard equipment on the new Dassault Falcon 5X skylight. And it'll also be an option on its cabin windows. You know, at the last automotive show and at the last aircraft show, perhaps it was also significant that the only switchable glass technology shown was SPD-Smartglass technology. It seems that these industries are beginning to understand the differences between various smart window technologies, and the performance advantages offered by SPD-Smartglass technology is making us the technology of choice. I want to thank NASDAQ for honoring us today, and thank our employees, our licensees, and customers around the world for their hard work. However, none of this would have been possible without the trust and support of our loyal shareholders and our families and our friends. And a special thanks to Bob Sachs, our chairman, whose inspiration, invention, and determination helped give birth to a new industry that helps save energy and makes people safer, more comfortable, and in more control of their environments. I want to welcome Bob Sachs.
Thanks, Joe. So, gentlemen, I often say it's companies like your company that really help define who NASDAQ is, and we couldn't be prouder to have you part of our family. And this afternoon, I'm proud to present everyone with the NASDAQ Closing Bell Crystal. Bob. Congratulations, Bob.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All of the shale producing areas are now superstars. The U.S. is on the rise in oil and gas production.
All right, Bob, thank you very much. We'll see you back here in a little bit as the Dow slouches toward about a 108-point loss. That'll do it for the first hour of the Closing Bell. And now, Kelly Evans picks up with the second.
Well, here come the bells ringing on Wall Street in this last hour. In the aftermarket session for oil, it has held well above $106 a barrel. In fact, jumping another 40.